Okay, in this video I'm going to explain how the mega heist works in Monopoly Go. So as you can see right here, I have a mega heist, a potential mega heist. It looks like this. It is red and yellow. Now, how do we get mega heists? Well, you can get them from different rewards or as different rewards. So how I got this is from the event right here that's currently happening, the Halloween event. And it gives you a mega heist chance for 15 minutes. So I got it 3 times. So that's why I have 45 minutes right here. How does this work? If we click on it, it will tell you that when you land on railroads, every heist has a chance to be a mega heist. However, it's not guaranteed to be a mega heist, and I'm going to show you how that works. So I'm just going to roll. Hopefully I'll land on the thing and I'll be able to show you. So this is just a shutdown, so I'll come back in a second when I get a mega heist or heist. Okay, as you can see right here, we got a mega heist, luckily. So it multiplies. It first uses your multiplier, and then after it has used your multiplier, you get another chance to get it multiplied. So right here, the maximum I've gotten from the second multiplier is times 15, but unfortunately this time we only got times 2, but previously I got, or my previous mega heist was actually times 5. So it works like this. Now you have gold bars, you have diamond rings, and the money. We no longer have those coins, and I just got super unlucky, but that's how the mega heist is like. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.